electric circuit. Today we are going to discuss about electric circuits. What is an electric circuit? Electric circuit has resistance, capacitance and inductor. So resistor, capacitor, inductor. These three elements are an electric circuit. For AC, this is called AC circuit. AC circuit. And for a DC circuit, only resistor. Only resistor in DC circuit. Example is iron box. Iron box is having only resistor. Iron box is having only resistor. Resistor only, resistor only. Now we see what is power. Power is defined as rate of doing work done per second. Rate of doing work done per second. So, electrically, power is given as I squared R or equal to V squared by R. You can see this I squared R depends on the current, square of the current, and voltage squared by its resistance. So let us consider a series circuit. Series circuit. What is a series circuit? A resistance, two resistance connected in series, or two inductance connected in series. This total resistance in both cases R is equal to R1 plus R2 and R is equal to R1 plus R2 and inductance, if both two inductance are connected in series, L is equal to L1 plus L2. Now if capacitors are connected in series, C1, C2, then its total capacitance is 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, remember. And that is C, we can write C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. C1, C2 by C1 plus C2. Now capacitors are expressed now in farads. Unit of capacitor is farads. Farad. And it can be in millifarad, microfarad, nanofarad, picofarad. What is millifarad? Millifarad means into 10 raised to minus 3 farad. And microfarad is 10 raised to minus 6 farad. And nanofarad is 10 raised to minus 9 farad. And picofarad is 10 raised to minus 12 farad. 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We can write it 1 R2 R3. R1 R2 R3 R2 R3 plus R1 R3 plus R1 R2. I can see R1 R2. So R equivalent is equal to 1 by R equivalent is, so R equivalent is R1 R2 R3 by R1 R2 plus R1 R3 plus R1 R2. R2 R3. Next one is R2 R3. R2 R3 plus R2 R3 plus R1 R3 plus R1 R2. R1 R2 by R3. So suppose 2 ohm resistance, 3 2 ohm resistance, 2 connected across a voltage of 4 volt. Plus a voltage was, then what will be there? Equivalent resistance is, or equivalent is 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2 4 plus 4 plus 4. So this is 8 by 12. 8 by 12, okay. Eight by 12. That is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. So okay. The same as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by R equivalent. Then C is 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. So R equivalent equal to 1 by 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 ohms. Also note that the current in the series circuit here, current in the parallel circuit, it be divided into 3. So here you can put I1, here you can put I2, here you can put I3, here you can put the main current I. So what you get is, so but the voltage will be equal. So voltage equal to I1 R1 equal to I2 R2 equal to I3 R3. Remember, this is for parallel circuit. For parallel circuit, the voltage equal. Voltage is equal to I1 R1 plus I2. So current is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3, which is equal to, you can take V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So each branch current can take V by R1, V by R2, V by R3. Okay. Similarly, capacitors in parallel. Capacitor C1, C2, C3, C1, C2, C3. It's connected to voltage source. Then what happens? Capacitors in parallel. Connected to voltage. So C equivalent equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. I told In DC circuit, only resistance is there. DC circuit, you can see only resistance. But in this AC circuit, you have resistance, inductance, capacitance. You can see here one resistor, the same as this resistor can be denoted as R. And by Ohm's law, you can write voltage across the resistor is I into R. So resistance is a constant. That is, when 1 ampere current is flowing through a resistor, that's 1 volt of voltage across it. Okay. You can see V is equal to I into R. This is the Ohm's law, standard relation used in all circuits. Now we see in bulb, we are silly telling about bulb. For bulb, for a bulb we are telling this 60 watt, 40 watt or 100 watt. And you can take as 60 watt is equal to, what is that? That is equal to V squared by R. V squared by R. So the voltage, if we are taking is 230 volt AC, normally we are taking 230 volt AC for AC circuits. Indian system is 230 volt. So we are taking 230, can be 220 also. No? Now we are taking 230 volt AC. In that case, you can see the resistance of the flat bulb. We can take like this. Resistance is equal to 230 squared by 60 by 60. So this way you can calculate the resistance of a bulb. You can see here 230 squared by 60, that is 882 approximately. So this resistance of element is high. And now we can see the current. How will you find the current? You know the equation V by R. Voltage we know 230 volt and 60 watt. Sorry, resistance is 882. So you can get 230 by 82. You can see the current taken is 0.26 amps. So what does it mean? It means that we are taking 0.26 ampere current in a 60 watt bulb with a voltage 230 volt applied to it. If you apply 230 volt against a bulb of 60 watt, it will give, that means the current in the circuit or current taken by the lamp is 0.26 ampere and its resistance is 882 ohms. Okay.